Hello! In this video, we'll be talking about the fourth part of a resume, education. This part of the resume is very important for current students, recent university graduates, or people with little work experience. For people with a lot of work experience, the education section shows that they meet the required education level. Job advertisements usually have a required degree as part of the qualifications for the job. Job seekers list each educational experience they have had and include the name of the school, the location, the degree received, major or subject of specialty, and the year of graduation. Those who received high grades or special honors during their education sometimes include those awards in this section. The development of the education part of the resume often shows future employers your academic performance, management and technical abilities, and general areas of interest. There are many kinds of degrees that are included in the education section. The most common types of degrees in the United States are 1. AA or AAS, which is Associate of Arts or Associate of Applied Science. These are 2-year degrees from community colleges and technical schools. 2 is BA or BS, Bachelor of Arts or Bachelor of Science. These are typically 4-year degrees from a college or university. 3, MA or MS, Master of Arts or Master of Science. These are graduate level degrees from a university. Number 4 is MBA, Master of Business Administration. This is a graduate degree in business from a university. And 5 is PhD. A doctorate degree is the highest level degree from a university. Like the work experience section of a resume, job seekers list their educational history in reverse chronological order, beginning with the most recent or current degree program. Here is an example job seeker, Michael Johnson, who attended 1 university and earned 2 degrees. Notice how he begins with the name of the school and the location, that's city and state. In this example, he attended Cornell University in the city of Ithaca in the state of New York. On the next line, he lists his most recent degree, an MBA in General Management, which he completed in 2015. This is a graduate-level master's degree in business administration with a special focus or major in general management. Next, he lists his BA in sociology, which he completed in 2009. His Bachelor of Arts degree is a 4-year degree in sociology, is the subject area that he studied most. After listing the degrees, Michael includes an award that he earned in 2008 and 2009. In United States universities, Dean's List awards go to students who received very high grades at the end of the academic year. Many people put this information in their resume to show that they were very successful in their courses. Let's review part 4 of the resume, education. In this section, job seekers show each educational experience separately in reverse chronological order. Each entry must include the name of the school, the location, the degree received, major or subject area, and the year of graduation. The addition of awards or honors is not required, but does provide good information about a future employee. Job seekers include all of their education to show that they meet the required education level for the position. Being very successful in one's education often means that a job seeker is serious and a hard worker. Now, we will move on to the next video, which will help you to learn how to use action verbs to describe your experience very clearly.